Okay, today I want to talk to you about a piece of gear that may be my favorite overall of all my camping gear. I've been testing this thing for 5 years or more. I lost track. But I've had this thing forever. And you know what? I don't think I've ever seen anybody do a video on it. I've never really looked for a video on it. But it's awesome. And this should be pretty quick. The story of this chair is my kid used to be a big time soccer player. Big time. Well, I mean, we used to travel all the time for soccer. And we'd set up and there'd be tent city and we'd all have our chairs. And there's so many different chairs out there. I got looking for one that packed up small, was comfortable, and you know what? Kind of a little cool. All right, most folks had chairs that were a lot like this. And they sit out pretty easy. They're okay comfortable. But they do take up a good bit of space. Or if they had money, they'd get something fancy like this. Ooh, you obviously haven't used this in a little bit. There's a dirt dauber nest in here. And you have a rocking chair. And these are all nice. And you can use these. There's nothing wrong with them. I wanted something that took up a little bit less space. So I got this small one. And let me show you this. All right. It comes in this bag about this size. Just zips like that. And you're going to tell I've used this one a lot. And you get this. And this is your seat. Nothing fancy. You got some little hooks right here. Well made. Like I said, I've been using it for 5 years. I used it a lot in those 5 years. And everything's still in pretty decent shape. Then you get the typical Helinox, just pile of sticks that all go together. Boom. All right. So yeah, this takes a little bit more time to put together. But one, it's cool. I'm going to keep reminding you that it's cool because it is a little more work. And then read the Helinox, make sure it's right side up. Boom. 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 And boom. Not that hard. Together, it's a nice chair. Now here's why I like it. One, it is the perfect size for me. Absolutely the perfect size for me. And I'm sure everybody can relate to that. If you're a big guy, you don't want a little tiny chair. You're a small guy, you don't want a chair that feels like it's dwarfing you most of the time. Sometimes it's nice. But this time, this is just the perfect size for me. And it rotates. So I'm hanging around campfire. I can just turn and look at who I want. You. You. Me. And this is great. And it was really good at the soccer games where my kid's, playing midfield and he's running back and forth all the way. I'm going, bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, did he kill that kid? Oh well. It was really good. Now, if you're a big guy, I don't think you'd like it. And I don't know what this is officially called, but I will put it in a little blurb up here, and I will have a link in the, and I will have a link in the description that you can click on and go find it. I had to look it up, make sure it was real, or still a real thing the other day, and they still make this after 5 years, and I haven't heard anybody else use it. But I think this is great because I just love to spin. Anyways, my favorite camp thing should be your favorite camp thing. I'll see you guys next episode.